Using the standard reduction table, write the balanced net ionic equation for the reaction that occurs for combining these two solutions together. Now, when I'm looking at these, remember, when you form a solution, you're going to end up with these dissociating into the separate ions. So this would result in a sodium ion and our gold tetrachloride ion, an iron +2 ion with a nitrate ion. Looking at our standard reduction table, we know that nitrate, unless it's in an acidified solution, is generally a spectator. So in this case, we're going to cut out nitrate from our consideration. This is not acidified. We don't see any indication of that. Sodium is found on the oxidizing agent side, meaning it will be reduced. It will be on the left side. But it's near the bottom of the table, which greatly limits what it can possibly react with. So we're going to assume that one is not involved. Now that does leave us with the gold tetrachloride ion, and it leaves us with an iron +2 ion. Now, iron +2 appears twice on the table. It appears once as an oxidizing agent that will be reduced, and it appears as a reducing agent where it will be oxidized. And this is the version that we are interested in here. This gives us that backslash notation that we've noticed in our notes that tells us this would be a spontaneous reaction to take place. So if we take this, we have gold tetrachloride ion plus 3 electrons, giving us gold plus 4 chloride ions. Now, for the other one, we know that's going in the other direction. It's oxidizing, so I'll write it the way it's actually happening, which is iron +2 reacts to make iron +3 plus 1 electron. Now, we are going to need to balance the electrons. In the first half reaction, you see 3 electrons involved. In the second, only 1. So I have to multiply the second one by 3 to make this work. This results in AuCl4 minus 1. We're not going to write in the electrons because we'll end up having balanced them, 3 on each side. They'll just cancel out. But I do need to write in the 3 iron +2 I'm working with. And then that makes our gold plus 4 Cl minus plus 3 Fe plus 3. And again, we don't list any of the ions that are spectators, and we cancel out anything that appears on both sides. This would be our balanced net ionic equation.